How to generate AI images with Google Gemini. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to create amazing AI images with Google Gemini but not sure where to start, well, in this video I will show you how to generate and edit images using Gemini latest AI image tools. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Gemini app on your phone. But before starting anything, let me tell you that Gemini gives you two ways to create image. Now here you can either generate a brand new image from scratch or edit an existing image using AI. So here in this video, I'll show you how you can do both. So here first, let's learn how to edit an existing image using AI. So here to do that, first tap on the plus icon shown in the chat bar, and from the pop-up menu that appears, you can just tap on photos, or you can even take a photo by tapping on camera as well. And now here, once you have seen the gallery pop-up, then what you can do is you can simply select the photo that you want to edit, and once you're done selecting it, you can just tap on add. And now from there, what you can do is you can just describe the changes that you'd like the Gemini to make after attaching the photo. And now here, once you're done typing the changes, you can just upload it with your photo. And now with that, you just have to wait for some time for it to bring the changes. And now here, once you do that, it will generate an image for you. And now here, with that, let's move to the next part where you can generate a brand new image from a scratch. So here to do that, what you can do is you can just tap on the text bar, and there you can simply type what you'd like to create. And now here, once you have done typing, what you can do is you can simply type generate the image for a specific command, and you can simply send it. And now here, once you have done that, it will analyze and generate an image for you. And now for the best result, be as detailed as possible. For that, you can include information about subject, colors, styles, lighting, etc. And with that, it will generate an image for you. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.